Ngayong 2025, ang lucky number mo ay 312! Dahil sa Bingo Plus, may chance kang manalo ng 312 million pesos sa jackpot. Piso lang to play and may up to 4,317 pesos na cashback. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Download the Bingo Plus app or visit bingoplus.com.
Promo runs from February 4, 2024 to December 31, 2025. EGLD reference number MKTG-2024-2654. Gaming for Tule. Keep it fun. Game responsibly. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph.
Tuhod, siko, baywa, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng Artresin araw-araw. Mabibili ang Artresin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Artresin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Halina't umasenso sa Balitang Land Bank. Hatid sa inyo ng Powered by Land Bank. MNL City Runners. Elorde, the Flash Run 2025 is here. Race like a champion and honor the legacy of our boxing hero, Gabriel Flash Elorde, in this thrilling run. Join us on May 11, 2025 at Philinvest City, Alabang with race categories for 3K, 5K, 10K, 16K, and 21K. All proceeds will benefit the Yellow Boat of Hope Foundation. Registration is open at Festival Mall, Alabang, upper ground floor, West Wing from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily or while slots last. For more details, follow MNL City Run on Facebook. Let's run, fight, and finish.